Uncertainty filtering in tracking. Previously, we demonstrated how to track nuclei and fix segmentation issues using the cluster method. Uncertainty filtering helps identify tracking issues more easily. Open the tracking dialog and click Generate to generate an initial tracking. Go to the selection panel and use the uncertainty filter to highlight uncertain results. Adjust the uncertainty range to only include high uncertainty components. We see that most components have uncertainties lower than 4. The only issue here is a noise component that fails to track. We go to the next time point and apply the uncertainty filter again to reveal tracking issues. Here, the overall uncertainty is low and one nucleus at the border moves out of the field. We keep advancing through time and try to find high uncertainty components. At time point 3, 2 nuclei get relatively higher uncertainty than others. In the next time point, one single component has a much higher uncertainty value. This is because the component comprising 4 nuclei were not correctly segmented. The uncertainty filtering is very effective to reveal such tracking issues. Using the clustering method discussed in previous tutorials, we can re-segment this component and correct the tracking result.